AI is changing everything in 2025. From writing emails to editing videos, these tools can save you hours of work. And the best part? They're absolutely free. Let's check out the top 5 AI tools you must try this year. First, ChatGPT, OpenAI. The most powerful AI chatbot. Helps you write blogs, emails, scripts, and even code. Free plan available with amazing features. Perfect for students, creators, and businesses. Second, Canva AI. Not just a design app anymore, Canva has AI features. Magic Write helps you create content instantly. Magic Edit lets you edit images with simple prompts. Great for YouTubers, marketers, and social media creators. Third, Runway ML. One of the best AI video tools. Remove backgrounds, generate images into videos, and edit with AI. Many free features for beginners. Perfect for content creators who want pro-level editing. Fourth, a smart productivity tool. Summarizes your notes, writes drafts, and organizes your tasks. Saves hours for students and professionals. Free with Notion Workspace. Perplexity AI, an AI-powered search engine, gives accurate, sourced answers instead of random Google results. Great for research, students, and fact-checking. Free to use and growing very fast. These AI tools can completely change the way you work in 2025. And the best part is, you don't have to spend a single dollar. Which one is your favorite? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI tips every week.